Hi, we are discussing the knight and knave problem, where the knight always says the truth and the knave always says a lie. So the first part of the puzzle is where A says that I am both a knight and a knave. We declare the general declaration that a character can only be a knave or a knight and not both. The second is the implication where we say that if A is a knight, then A is both a knight and a knave, because A being a knight will always tell the truth. So it should be both a knight and a knave. The second puzzle where A says we are both knaves, we do the usual declarations where a person can be just a knave or a knight, not both. Then the second implication that if A is a knight, then both A and B will be knights, will be knaves, because that is what he says, we are both knaves. The second implication is that if A is a knave, then B will not be a knave, because A being a knave will always tell a lie. The other puzzle is where A says we are of the same kind and B says we are of different kinds. We do the usual declarations where a person can be a knave or a knight and not both. And then we have an implication where if A is a knight, then A and B both will be knights, because A being a knight will tell the truth. And a biconditional where if A is a knave, then B will be a knight, and vice versa, because if B is a knight, then A will be knave, and so on. The third puzzle is a little bit confusing, and we do the usual declarations and the implication where if B is a knight, then B will be telling the truth. So if B is telling the truth, then C is a knave, and B, if he is a knave, then C will be a knight, because B will be telling a lie in that case. And if C is a knight, then A is a knight, because B will be telling the truth. Implication, another implication will be that C is a knave, then A is a knave, because C is telling a lie, and the truth will be the opposite of what C is saying. And the final two, where implication if B is a knave, then either A is a knight or a knave, because we do not know, because B says A said I am a knave. We do not know. A can be a knight or a knave. The biconditional, which is the important point here, is that if A is a knight, then A can be a knight or a knave. But if A is a knave, then he cannot say a contradictory statement. If it's a knight, he cannot say a contradictory statement. Once we run this, we see that this is solved, and A is a knave, and the second puzzle A is a knave, B is a knight, and the third puzzle A is a knave, B is a knight, and the final puzzle A is a knight, B is a knave, and C is a knight.